What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. As you guys see, we have the Music Boxing Pro in the house. So this is a little bit different type of tech. This was sent out to me by this company right here. Big shout out to them for sending this over. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So what this is a boxing music workout machine. Now this is for adults and kids. Now you're going to be able to mount this on your wall very easily. I'll show you how to do that. It's going to have a Bluetooth music connection. It has smart sensors for accurate hit and detection. You can use this to build your strength, sharpen reflexes, and burn fat. Now this is going to be $119.99. So some of the other features and details, let's take a look at those. It has responsive LED lighting. You get Bluetooth music playback, what I mentioned. You get easy touch controls. Durable, high-strength material it's made out of. Digital display stream. You're going to get 2 pair of boxing gloves as well. You get a 2-meter charging cable and high-fidelity sound. So those are a few of the features and details. Here's the box that it comes in. It looks the same way on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and get everything out of the box. We'll come back, take a look at it, put it on the wall, and get us a workout in. So let's go. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have everything out of the packaging. Let's go through and see what we get. So you're going to get your instructions guide here, telling you how to mount this to the wall, telling you how to go through the modes, how to connect to Bluetooth and things like that. Gives you some precautions here as well. Don't know if you guys want to read this or not, but when you get yours, it'll be in the box. So they give you a charging cable. It's going to be type C to type A. Pretty long as well. You're going to get 2 sets of gloves. Now, these gloves, as you guys see, they have some type of, look like a dragon on there. Very nice. These are too small. These are going to be for your kids. At least for me, I can't get it on my hand, as you guys see. Just too small for my hand. So these are going to be for people with smaller hands. Very nice. Got some nice padding there. So very nice looking gloves there. Now you get the ones that are marked MMA. Now these I can wear. These for bigger hands and very easy to put on. Just like that. And there it is. So strap it down. And there it is. So definitely can fit these. So if you have larger hands, then these are the ones you're going to have to wear. So that's included with the price right there. And then you get several different ways to mount this. So you can just use Velcro. So you guys see this piece is pretty long. So you would stick the long piece. You got a short piece here as well. This is the short piece. You stick the short piece to the back of the device, and then you put the long piece on the wall. That way, if you want to have it up high for an adult, you can have it up high, or you can go down lower for a child. So I'm going to be using this, and I'll show you how to mount it. Or you can go with sticky back. Just stick this piece, peel this off. This is all sticky back behind here. You can stick this to the back of the device, stick it on the wall, the whole thing on the wall, and go like that. But I'm going to go with Velcro. That's the way I'm going to rock out with it. Okay, so here's the device. Here's your charging port on the back right there, type C. This is what it looks like on the back. Just a plastic piece back here. And like I said, I'll take these short pieces here and I'll put them on the back. Take this long piece. I'll show you guys. I'll take this short piece, and there's 2 of them, and mount them on the back. And I'll take this long piece and put it on the wall. And that's how I'm going to mount mine. And that is it for us. The aesthetics. Here's the little piece I was looking for here. So when I got it out of the box, it was missing this piece, and I found it stuck to the side right there. So we're going to go ahead and stick it back there. I thought it was lost. All right, so here's the pads. Now these pads are soft, really soft enough where you don't need gloves to hit them. So you got your speed button here, your on and off Bluetooth button, and your mode. And you do have speakers going around here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So there's kind of long press right there. As you guys see the light pattern, it has its own music, but you can Bluetooth your own music as well. So I can go through over here and I can turn the volume down, long press, turn the volume back up. Maxes out at 16, but for this video, we're gonna just turn it down. And you can go through different modes here as well. This will change the pattern as you guys see. So that's one. That's pattern 2 right there. That's pattern 3. That's 4, 5. I think it goes up to 10. Let's see how many it has. 16. Oh, that's volume. So it has 9 different patterns. Right here, I'm going to turn that down some. So these are the patterns, and you can go to speed too. You can change the speed. Let's see how many different speeds they have. So it's 9 different speeds as well. And what you have to do is follow this pattern. You know, whatever it does, that's where you put your punch. And then C00, this tells you how accurate, how many hits you get. So that is pretty much it right there, guys. But if you want different patterns, you can change the pattern up right there. Pretty cool, man. Speaker is pretty loud as well. Let's see. I guess I'll pair this to my iPhone. So let's go ahead and get into pairing mode.
Bluetooth mode.
So that's Bluetooth mode. Let's go ahead and get in my iPhone and find this right quick. So it's in Bluetooth mode. Let's see if it picks it up.
Connected.
There it is. It's connected, as you guys heard. Let me go ahead and bring up some of my own personal music on my device. All right, so I got some of my music up. Let's go ahead and play something here. Let's play this. And I can adjust the music from my phone as well. Let's skip to the next track. Let's let it play and see how it sounds.
Damn son, I got that heat, let's go.
You guys see, it will connect very easily to your Bluetooth device. So let's go ahead, get this thing mounted on the wall and try it out. Okay guys, so I have my grandson. He's gonna help me demo the Music Boxing Pro. You ready, champ?
Yeah.
Okay, so right here, it's gonna show how accurate he is. And if he misses, it's gonna let him know by saying, uh-oh. So we'll go ahead and start him on a pattern there. There it is. So you got to follow it. So intentionally miss. See, it says, uh-oh. All right, get back on it. So is that a workout? Do you feel it, Jalen?
I mean, I do feel something all right.
You think that's a good workout?
Workout, stress reliever, whatever you want to call it, yeah.
You think it's fun?
For a couple of hours, maybe like a 30 minutes or so.
You think that's too slow and need to speed up?
Absolutely.
All right, well, it can go faster.
I
All right,
play
guys, so-
rhythm games easier than this.
This is the Music Boxing Pro. My grandsons helped me out. Thanks a lot, Jalen.
Yo, welcome.
We're gonna finish the video. Okay, guys, so this has been my look at the Music Boxing Pro. This is a boxing, music, Bluetooth workout machine. So you can use this for building your strength, sharpening reflexes, and burning fat. And as you guys see, controlling it is very easy. Got some nice colorful lights here. You can take it off the wall to charge it as well. Comes with everything you need here. And if you use my discount code, you can get an extra 25% off as well. So I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H. I'm out.